Hey body fangs, welcome to the bush. Guys, today I just want to praat with you.
What is that?
Jutta. It's just a dassie, a taaitjie. Amper skyt ek myself in 'n multsteken. Oh look, a peel road.
Can you see that? Hulle oupa, it's groot. Look at its kop there. Hallo.
Sometimes we do get a little bit distracted. Oh look, a squirrel. 'n eekhoring, 'n eekon. What's that other oak's name? Leon Cappuccino. No. Leonardo DiCaprio of Bushveld. We don't have bloody Leonardo DiCaprio. Here in South Africa, we've got Frikkie van die Vrystaat. Someone's cupping a plaasie, dropping a lunch bar. Die ding is dikker as my nek. When you need to cup a plaasie in the bushes, okay, don't use this type of leaf. Can you see that? It's got hair on it. It's going to make your chocoladesterretjie vis itch. Jyk jou gat. Ja, oom. Use a smooth one. Your finger.
Roasted peanuts. Jette.
Amper buig ek agteroor soos 'n warm visser. Jette. Papgooi. Chuck a wheat pick for the English people. I guess what I'm trying to say is life is bloody stressful. Okay. So you need to grab the ou closest to you and slap him so hard that he feels bloody surrounded. Sy snot moet om sy kop draai soos een van daai tannies by teasers. Ag nee man, dis nie wat ek wou bloody sê nie. Ja. Guys, life is tough as it is. Okay. Sometimes we find ourselves in a bloody situation that we can't get out of. En dit word net moeiliker. Jy weet nie wat se kant toe nie. Sometimes you just need to take a step back. Hold deep asem, take a deep breath and reevaluate the situation. Ons het chommies daar buite wat omgee. People that will change the direction of wind if they could. June is Men's Mental Health Awareness Month. Jy moet daar wees vir 'n chommie. We all have something that we're hiding deep inside. Dan kruip ons agter 'n klippie weg want ons dink niemand gee om nie. They're hiding it from the world. Wie is daai chommie? Tap hom op die skouer. Just say to him, listen, but I love you. If you need to talk to me. We can't lose another brother. So do yourself a favor. Share this video. Deel it vir jou chommies. Even if they only laugh a little bit. It only takes a little bit of an edge off life. And like I always say, you might just save a life.